Hello guys, welcome back. So in this recent period, we received many questions from our students in related with this HVAC system related some ductwork. So this is the drawing that we used in our courses also. So these are the HVAC system related high-rise building floor plan. Okay. So the question is, you can notice during your HVAC system quantity takeoff time, there is some small portion. So you can see here, there's a small duct portion. It's only connected with these FCUs. Okay, you can see FCU number 3. So the same concept, it's a small portion. It's only connected with this FCU, but this small portion. And also another question is, there is a return grill. Okay, so why it's not connected with duct? So there is two main question many of the students they ask. So in this session we are going to discuss very deeply for the reason why it's not connected with this duct, and also what is the simple mechanism in this small portion. So the entire floor, so the entire apartments, you can notice the same concept. It's only this supply air duct, it's only connected with this FCUs. Okay, you can see FCU, it's only connected this one. The same concept, this one also FCU, it's only connected with supply duct. The FCU, it's all the FCU, it's generally it's just for connected with this supply small portion duct, right? So before start this analysis, just I am going to visualize the real picture of this FCU. This is the FCU that we are going to use in the above ceiling of the ductwork. So this is the real-time FCU. Okay, right. So the real function also we should know before start the quantity takeoff. So the real function is, so this one is the FCU. Okay, the real function, there's a high speed fan available inside the FCU, and also there's another item is the cooling coil. So there's a cooling coil, then it's directly connect with supply duct. Okay, so what is the function behind this FCU? So that's a question that we are going to use before start any other quantity takeoff for the ductwork. So once the fan is operate, the high speed fan, that is the term is the high speed fan. So once the fan is operate, so the fan will be extract the air from the room. So the return grills also help to us to extract the air from the room. And also this air, the fresh air, it's going through the cooling coil. So the cooling coil mean this is a cooling coil. Okay, so there's a copper cooling coil inside the FCU. So how it's cooled, that's another question. So we know very well there's another important MEP system also available, chill water supply. So the chill water, it's going through this way. So the copper entire coil will be highly cooled. Okay, so it's approximate we can say the 6 Celsius something. So the entire portion will be cooled. So at the time, if you send the fresh air through this way, so the outside air will be cool because of this cooling coil. This is the simple mechanism of the FCU. So the same concept in the drawing also you can see. I will explain based on this drawing. So there is a return grills here. So once the FCU fan is operate here, all the fresh air or uncooled air from the room will be extract through this way, and it's going through this FCU. Then there is a cooling coil available inside the FCU. So for this process, the outside air will be cooled. So the outside air, it's directly connect with the supply duct. Okay, so the outside air will be cooled. So it's going through this way, and it's supply from the supply grills. So that's the simple mechanism. So no need to fix any other additional duct or something. So it's a simple mechanism. So how it's work, the FCU, and also why it should be connect with the simple supply air duct something. And also the another question, return air grills, why it's not connected with the supply or any other duct something. So the simple answer, no need to fix any other return grills, because the return grills will help to extract the air through this way, and it will send to the FCU directly. So it is a simple mechanism. So the same concept you can see the entire room. So you can see here the same concept. So there's a return grill, supply grill. So the simple mechanism, it's the supply air duct, it's directly connect with this fan coil unit. So the same concept you can see entire room in apartment. All right, so another very important thing is you can see here there is a fresh air duct in the green color. So the fresh air mean that air extract from the outside, the environmental air. So this one is the environmental air. It's coming through, it supply directly in the room. So this air also will go through this FCU. The air will go through this FCU by two ways. So one is from the room, the second one is from the supply, the fresh air. Okay, so the same concept. And also you can see here the fresh air, it's coming through this way also. So you can see, so the fresh air, it's coming through way. So this air also, it's going through the FCU. The same concept you can see here, there's a fresh air, so this air also, it's coming through this way.